What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'd like to share with you 5 apps to earn Bitcoin without investing. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Let's get straight into the video. The first site that we use to earn our free Bitcoin is called freecash.com. So here at the moment we are on their homepage. You get paid for testing apps, completing surveys or offers. How to get started? You have to choose a task, you complete the task, then you receive coins. So why is Freecash the #1 site to make money? So here cash out starting at 0.01 cents. You can earn $1 every 5 or 10 minutes by completing offers on Freecash, and you also get an instant payment through PayPal, and you also have the highest payout. You can just go through the site, read about the site to see if you really want to participate with the site and start earning your free Bitcoin. So in order for us to start earning, let's go ahead and sign up. So you go to the sign up page, you put in your email, your username, your password, then you confirm, then you register. But since I already have an account with them, I'll go ahead and I'll sign in. So here at the moment on my dashboard, in order for you to start earning, when you come here, you go to the earn section, you click on earn, you'll be taken to this page. So these are some future offers, and these are offers that you have to complete. Each offer will contain hundreds of tasks to complete. You just have to go through these offers, participate with this offer. So after you complete this offers, you will be rewarded some coins which you will convert to Bitcoin. We also have surveys here, complete surveys to earn coins. You will be rewarded for each survey you complete. So it's kind of straightforward. With this site, all you have to do is just to participate with the site, complete some offers, or you complete some surveys, then you earn some coins which will be converted to Bitcoin. After earning some coins, then you want to cash out, you just go to cash out, you click on the cash out. Use your earn coins on freecash.com to withdraw. These are your withdrawal methods that you can use. Here we have PayPal, we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin or Dashcoin, and you also have here, you can also withdraw through gift cards. We have Amazon, we have Netflix, Visa. You can just go through them. But since this video is all about earning free Bitcoin, so you go ahead with the Bitcoin. So click on Bitcoin. Crypto withdrawal takes a few minutes to be sent. New users have to earn $2 in order to make their first withdrawal. As a new user, you have to earn $2 before you can able to make your first withdrawal. After earning the $2 or making your first withdrawal, the next withdrawal, you can either withdraw when you earn 10 cents, you can easily withdraw. So in order for you to withdraw, you just have to put in your Bitcoin address here, then you put in the amount that you want to withdraw. Then you click withdraw, then you withdraw into your wallet. So here you can also check their leaderboard to see the amount some have been able to earn so far. So you can see the amount of coins that some have earned. You can also start participating with the site to earn some coins, which will be converted to Bitcoin when you want to withdraw. So it's so simple and earning with this site. So here let's go to the affiliates. You can also share your referral link and earn 5% of all offers completed by your user. Your referral users will also receive a free cash as a welcome bonus. So this is your referral link. You can share with your friends and your family. When they participate with it, you earn 5% commission of what they have earned. So that's how you earn free Bitcoin with freecash.com. It's as simple as that. The second site that you use to earn your free Bitcoin is called coinmarket.com. Coinmarket.com is kind of a site where you can always go daily to check the prices of these cryptocurrencies. So you can just go ahead, then check some of the cryptocurrencies that you hold or you want to invest in. You can just go ahead and check. But since today we are not interested in checking about this cryptocurrency or the coins that are trending, but rather to earn some free Bitcoin with this site, we go ahead, you come here, you come to product, they go to learn and earn. So here, learn crypto, earn crypto. Acquire crypto asset in a fun and low risk way by taking lessons and testing your knowledge. So how does it work? Here you watch videos, you complete quiz, then you earn crypto. It's kind of straightforward. Just go through this some of the cryptocurrencies that you want to earn. You just go through them. So let's just go ahead and say, okay, we want to earn Tron. Let's just go ahead and click Tron. So here we'll be taken to this page. So here on this page, you just have to watch some few videos. So when you complete watching these lessons, these videos are in the form of lessons. Here you have lesson 1, then you have lesson 2, which are videos, and you have lesson 3. So after completing these lessons by watching this video, we'll be asked some few questions. When you are able to give accurate answers, we will reward some Tron as our reward for completing the videos or learning more about Tron. So after earning the Tron, you can now go ahead to convert the Tron into BTC. It's as simple as that. So that's how you earn free Bitcoin with coinmarketcap.com. So the third site that you can also earn Bitcoin is called coinhunt.world. Coinhunt.world, discover hidden treasure in your city. Earn cryptocurrency playing Coinhunt. This kind of an app that you have to download. You can download the app on Apple Store or you can download it on Google Play Store. So after downloading the app, you participate with the app, which is in the form of game. And when you play the game, you will be rewarded some Bitcoin. Then as simple as that, that's how you earn with it. And here you can just go to the Google Play Store here. You can also check here. Play Coinhunt World and earn cryptocurrency while exploring the world around you. Discover key and unlock reward when you step outside and explore the real world location. Play individual or within a team. So it's kind of straightforward. Just go ahead, you download the app, you participate with the app. So after participating with the app, you'll be rewarded some Bitcoin. It's as simple as that. So the fourth site that we can use to earn our free Bitcoin is called coinbase.com. Coinbase.com is an messenger or a wallet where you can keep your Bitcoin or your cryptocurrencies in there. So here it's kind of straightforward. In order for you to earn your free Bitcoin by using Coinbase.com, just go ahead and click here. You go to here you earn cryptocurrency, get Bitcoin, invite a friend to Coinbase, and you will both receive free Bitcoin when they buy or sell a minimum amount. So here all you have to do is just to invite a friend. So after referring a friend, when the person join Coinbase.com and make some few trades, most of you earn free Bitcoin. It's as simple as that. So that's how you earn free Bitcoin with Coinbase.com. The fifth site that you use to earn free Bitcoin is called Brave, the best privacy online, 3 times faster than Chrome, better protection from Google and big techs. Brave blocks all creepy ads from every website by default, and that 10 where ads follow you across the web. Brave block that too. Brave is a browser which is similar to Chrome, but the only difference is that, so here you can even see their differences. Invasive ads, they block it. Cross-site tracker, they block it. And cookies blocked. You have fingerprinting blocked. So you can just go through here to see their differences between Firefox, Safari, and Google Chrome. So it's kind of another browser, but with this Brave browser, the more you browse with it, the more you are being rewarded some coins, which you can convert to Bitcoin. So here in all what you have to do is just to download the Brave browser, then start using it to browse, then you earn some coins. So here, let me just show you guys. So here, this is the Brave browser. So here you can see, all you have to do is just to start using it. You can use it to browse. When you browse, you earn some BAT token. So these are the BAT token that I've earned so far, and this is the BAT token that I've earned so far for this month. I don't really use it that much, but the more you use it, the more you earn BAT token, which you can convert to Bitcoin. It's as simple as that. So that's how you earn Bitcoin with these 5 apps. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.